as you can see, the RCF standard frame is up on the Mayhem Metalworks fab table with the setup for building motorcycle, mini bike frames, or whatever you're into. And this will be part 3 of our 2 mini bike build series. Let's jump right in. So you might be asking yourself, okay, what gives? Why is there a brand new RCF standard frame in your frame jig on your fab table? Well, we're gonna make a couple changes. First, but not least, we're not going to run standard mini bike wheels. We are going to be running a set of pit bike wide 14-inch wheels, and we are running a 90/90-14 street tire. Front and rear. And these are speed rated tires. They are rated for motorcycles and smaller bikes. The reason for that is the elephant in the room. The other reason that this frame is in this jig is we have to stretch and contort this thing, not only for the wheels and tires, which they could fit with just a little bit of work, but to fit the power plant. I don't want you to quite see it yet. We're not doing a standard small block Predator style motor. No Honda clone. Well, I guess that's not true. Yeah, we're not doing a big block Honda clone. What we are doing is a clone motor of a Honda, but it is a 200cc air-cooled 5-speed with a full manual clutch. That's right, we're going to cram this honking motor into this little mini bike frame, and with these 14-inch wheels and tires. I don't know that we can consider this a mini bike anymore, but that's what we're going to call it. There will be no suspension. We are going to have to do a lot of work on this frame, and don't worry. I've already talked to Evan Rubble, who runs RCF, and if you need mini bike frames or anything like that, check him out. He's got some sweet bikes and some frames and a bunch of other parts that you could use for your build. I've already talked to him and did a poll online, and you guys are dying to see this motor shoehorned into that frame. Now I can already tell you, this motor is just over 17 inches tall, and we are 14 1/8, give or take, between the engine plate and that top frame rail. So we already know, unless there's some way we could set this motor in here where the valve cover sticks up here, which may not be very comfortable for us to ride, we're gonna have to cut the frame front and back and lift it. And we're also going to have to stretch it to make room for the front wheel. The rear wheel will actually tuck in there as it is now. It does not leave you any room for a motor though. It will physically fit. The front end, we're gonna have to do some work on the forks to make sure that we can clear this big front wheel and tire without hitting the frame when we turn. So this is gonna be a fun one, guys. This might take me a little while. We're also gonna have to come up with some sort of gas tank, and it's going to be a custom seat too. So, you know, we're going to hit up our boy over at MCO Parts and get him to make a custom seat for us, just like he did for my son's purple color shift bike with all the titanium. That seat came out amazing, and I'm going to send all my business his way. So if you're looking for a mini bike seat, definitely reach out to MCO Parts. Links to everything in the description. And if you want to get into some serious mini bike building or motorcycle building, and you want your frame to be true and straight and make life just a little bit easier on yourself, Steve over at Mayhem Metalworks, he's the one that builds these tables with these frame jigs and everything. I've done full videos about this, how I built it and the way we use it and everything. So if you're interested in any part of any one of these parts on this table, as far as the fabrication goes, Steve at Mayhem Metalworks is your guy. If you're looking for a table, definitely your guy too. And you don't have to get one this big. He sells different shapes and sizes, add-ons, anything you can think of. And if he doesn't offer it, definitely reach out to him, because he can make it for you. So, all right, I think that's everybody I need to mention. You guys know where we're going with this. The frame is already painted in primer. It's been sitting for a little bit, so I didn't want it to rust away on us. What I really need to do is take some serious measurements, see just how far we need to stretch this thing, how far we need to raise the top bar from the bottom bar. I already know that that engine plate has to come out. This motor does not bolt to an engine plate. It has these hangers that it utilizes, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, no, 4 mounting points. So we're gonna have to fabricate some tabs to mount that, which is gonna be a problem all on itself. Yeah, I don't know if I was drinking when I decided to do this or what, but we're definitely gonna do it. It's gonna be one of a kind, it's gonna be fun, and it's gonna be one hell of a ride when we're done. So this is just gonna serve as the intro video. We're not gonna do any real work on it yet. Just wanna give you guys an idea of what is going on, and now we just need to figure out how to do it. And if you wanna support the channel, down below the video you can see some links to my merch. All sorts of cool stuff with the haslipcycleworks logo on it. And definitely reach out to everybody I mentioned if you need stuff too. And like, comment, subscribe. You know, it's free, it doesn't cost anything. You can change your mind at any time. And yeah, definitely share the video, and you know, let your friends know what we're up to over here at haslipcycleworks. Definitely comment below. I want to see what you guys think about this project. If you have any ideas, yeah, this is gonna be a wild one. So until next time, guys, get up, get out there, and do it.